The third identifier I mentioned in a previous video is classes, and I want to take a moment just to describe what classes are. Classes are common behaviors and attributes that we can associate over many different tags. So for example, I'm going to keep it really simple. We have our paragraph tag here, that's hello. And I'm going to create a second paragraph tag right now that is world. Hello world. So right now when we go over, both are red hello world. That is because we currently associate that with this paragraph tag. But I want hello and I want world to appear differently multiple times. So there are two ways to do this. We could give every single one this similar ID, but that is not good practice. If you're going to have an element stand alone, then it should have an ID. But if you're going to repeat the same thing that the ID would use over multiple pieces, instead of using an ID, we're going to use what's called a class. So inside the paragraph tags here, we're going to go ahead and give our class a name. Paragraph, the second option's class, equals, and we'll just call it hello. And then the world class, in the world paragraph tag, we're going to give it a class called world. Hello and world. Simple enough, as we see right now. They are still red because they're both paragraph tags. We haven't told the specific class to do anything just yet. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of these right here. Actually, for good practice purposes, so we can walk through our step sheet again here, we'll delete it all. To call to a specific class, the IDs, we use a hashtag. Whoops. Classes, we use a period to call to them. So right down here, I'm going to go dot hello to call to the hello class. And then step 2, use my braces. I'm going to go ahead and give it a background color of black and a font color, the regular color, of aqua. I'm going to hit save. We're going to see if it worked. It did. It went ahead and gave this just to the hello. Let's go ahead and set world to opposite. So to create a second class separate, the biggest thing I need to make sure of is I'm outside of the hello class's braces. So we're going to do dot world and do a brace. And classes can also share attributes with others, just like we had a couple tags together and then an ID all in the same line before we begin doing our attributes. Same thing with classes. We could have them be the same, but we want to show you that they're different. So we're going to just go alternate. Background color is aqua, semicolon. And the text color, we technically don't need to change because it's already black. So we're going to leave it alone, just to try it. So we go to the page, and you see here we have hello and world. What's the benefit? Classes can be used and should be used in this way to cover ground over multiple similar tags. So we do that, we hit save, go take a look, and there you have hello and world alternating. So if you're going to, again, share the same attributes and descriptors, settings, whatever you want to call it, over multiple areas of the page, just set it to a class as opposed to using the same ID a bunch of times. It's better practice in coding.